welcome back to BRICKEN Garage, and today Jaron and me are going to show you guys how to put a bed liner in a square body truck, or any truck for that matter. We've never done this before, but we're going to follow the instructions and show you how to do it so that you can see our mistakes and you can learn from it, so when you're doing it you can do a better job than us. So first thing we're going to do here is sweep it out. Now we're going to sand off this paint right here, just because we're going to be doing the liner right up to right about here. So we're just going to finish sweeping out here, and then we're going to take a damp cloth and wipe down the entire thing to get all the dust off. Okay, so now that we've got all the dust out, well like the big chunks, and we sanded off the top of the box here, we're just going to take some water and rinse off all the little dust particles before we start taping. And then after that, we will put the bed liner on. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that we've got her pretty well cleaned up, we're still waiting for the box to dry, but we're gonna tape off all around here, because we're gonna get the bed liner up to right about here, all the way around, and then we'll do the top of the tailgate. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, that's what it is. All right, so we got it all taped off. Now we just have to let it dry, and then we're gonna apply the layer. Okay, so now that it's all dry, we're gonna take a look at the instructions here. We're using this stuff called Easy Liner. We got it at Canadian Tire. I have no idea what the Canadian Tire equivalent is in the States, but I'm sure you can find something that sells this or something similar to it. Make sure you read the instructions and mix it how it says to do. So that's what we're gonna do, and you can just watch us do it, and then we're gonna apply it on there. Look at that, now it's actually going together. Okay, so now that we've got that mixed up, we're gonna start applying. Okay, so we're all done now. It was pretty straightforward, as you can see. The kit cost $100. The only thing I would recommend is don't use the roller that comes in the kit, because it's junk. It's a piece of foam. Spend the extra $7.50 at Canadian Tire or Home Hardware or Target or wherever you are, and get the actual good one with like a cotton roller. It'll work a lot better. And also, when you're peeling your tape off, make sure you peel it off while the liner is still pretty much wet, or else it'll rip off really weird and it might mess up your lines. So anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a comment if you were interested in this, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys, and we will see you in another video.